What's up, YouTube? It's Richard, founder of Short-Term Rental University and Airbnb Superhost. Today, Charles and I are coming to you from the Snake River Sporting Club in Jackson, Wyoming. It's the home of the #1 golf course in Wyoming. They've got equestrian, the golf course, which you can't see here, but these are the fairways. And we're standing directly in front of the fairway units that are being constructed right now. They'll be done by the end of this summer, 2018. And I bought not one, but two in my self-directed IRA. So let's turn to what is a self-directed IRA and why did I do it? It's pretty straightforward. In your IRA, using tax-deferred funds, you can invest in a variety of things. In fact, there's very few items that the IRS restricts. They tend to be things that could be considered, like antiques or perhaps hobbies. They don't really want you to take advantage of the tax-deferred status for your personal gain. They want it to really be an investment, just like if you were to buy stocks or bonds. Now, in my particular case, why did I do it? Well, I really like the investment opportunity here at the Snake River Sporting Club, but I didn't have enough liquidity of, after-tax dollars, and I didn't really like the stock market at all-time highs. So I started to think about investment opportunities. I learned about self-directed IRAs. I spoke to some experts and decided that this would be a great way for me to have exposure to a terrific real estate investment opportunity using tax-deferred IRA money and also cash out of stocks at all-time highs. So that's what I personally did. But I don't encourage you to do it at home alone without seeking an expert. In fact, I consulted with Adam Bregman. We just recently filmed a podcast, so if you haven't listened to that, we'll include the link below. He's an expert. He knows exactly what you can do and what you can't do. It's not scary, but you need to know the laws and you need to stay within the laws. So by way of example, the single biggest downside of me owning these in my self-directed IRA is I can't actually enjoy them. I'll never sleep here. I'll never be able to enjoy the home until I get to the retirement age, at which point it becomes legal. 59 and a half is when I can actually enjoy it, but it was well worth it for me because I really wanted the investment, and then I'll worry about the enjoyment of it later. So the question is, should you do it? Now, that's a personal question for you to decide, but if you have a real estate opportunity that you really are interested in pursuing, and you have tax-deferred money in a self-directed IRA, or rather in an IRA that you can create a self-directed IRA, then it's a really good idea. And I would just encourage you to seek counsel because you want to make sure you stay within all the bounds. There's a handful of rules and restrictions. They're not particularly onerous, but they're important that you abide by them. And I love all the construction noise. I mean, I really enjoy construction and development. I'm really excited to come back here with Charles multiple times. We'll probably be here in the spring. It'll look very different. There'll be a lot more progress, and we'll be here in the summer and at the end when it's all done. And you won't believe, from beginning to end. And for me, that's a great process. I enjoy it tremendously. I want to share it with all of you. And if you would enjoy doing something like this and you don't have a lot of capital, but you do have a big nest egg in the form of an IRA, you should listen to our podcast, check it out, consider it. I think it's a great way to go. I did it not once, but twice. So that's it. I hope you've liked the video. Please go ahead and give us the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel, do so. Click the little bell so that you get notified when we upload new videos. And also, come check us out over at the podcast where you'll listen to experts like Adam Bregman talking about self-directed IRAs, how to do it, what the rules are, tons of content, tons of knowledge. He's dropping bombs, trying to help us all grow our business. Appreciate your attention very much. In the meantime, here we are, man. Look at this. I mean, I can't even believe that I get to enjoy this when I'm 59 and a half.